IMMERGE is a project that reinterprets the heritage water tank of Harold Park Tramsheds and looks to the material itself as an inspiration. IMMERGE is part of the public domain here at Harold Park and the Tramsheds development by Mirvac, and is part of the City of Sydney Public Art Program. We had the opportunity to work with this amazing cast iron modulated railway pattern water tank panels, which are really quite unique. They're over 250 kilos each. This particular one was a 10,000 gallon water tank. What's interesting about each of the different panels is that they have a series of flat panels, curved panels and corner nodes. And we were able to work with this gridding and start to think about how we could keep part of the water tank intact and then start to stretch and pull and distort the tank. And this artwork starts to look at the material itself, this unique cast iron material that was in operation for 100 years, this idea of almost an entropic state. We look towards a gabion cage system, which is complementary to a lot of the gabion that's used on site here. But the aggregate is quite particular in relation to railway ballast. Thinking about an aggregate that sort of talks back to railway infrastructure, railway rolling stock. As part of the project team, we work with Bollinger Groningen, our engineers, Hornart Studios doing the fabrication installation, and Diversify doing the groundworks. We look at different tools such as gravity or there's other forces that we can apply to the models. We worked with the modulated corner. The tank itself in this reinterpretation is 3 by 3, and we retained key elements such as the corner nodes and the edge pieces, and then stretched that through our computational process to then understand how those elements are sitting in space and then how we could engineer that. I think it'd be great if people start to understand that history, but also think of it anew. And there's an idea around the microscopic changes that have happened over time with its over 100 years of use as a way of elongating and extending the work that breaks the grid and starts to stretch down into the landscape.